Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Lincoln Financial Group, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin using Lincoln Financial Group, start by visiting their official website. Navigate to the home page to familiarize yourself with the layout and available services. Look for the login button if you already have an account. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Follow the prompts to create your account by providing the required personal information. After logging in, explore the dashboard to view your financial products and services. Select the type of service you are interested in, such as insurance or retirement planning. Click on the specific product for more detailed information. Review the educational resources available, which can guide your decision-making process. If you need assistance, use the Contact Us feature for customer support. You can call their customer service or use the chat option for immediate help. Consider using the financial tools provided on the website to assess your needs. These tools can help you understand your coverage options or retirement savings plans. If you're interested in a specific insurance policy, request a quote online. Fill out the necessary information to get an accurate estimate. Once you have your quote, compare it with your budget and financial goals. If you decide to proceed, you can apply for the policy directly through the website. Follow the application prompts and submit the required documents. For existing customers looking to manage their policies, access your account dashboard. Here, you can view policy details, make payments, and update your information. Take advantage of the resources available for policyholders, including claims support. If you need to file a claim, locate the Claims section and follow the instructions provided. For additional inquiries, schedule an appointment with a financial advisor through the website. Review all your options and align them with your financial objectives. Stay up to date with Lincoln Financial Group's offerings by checking their news and updates section. This will help you stay informed about any changes that might affect your financial plans. Log out when finished to maintain the security of your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.